guys, welcome sa video natin. So another problem for determinate beam. So kapag napanood mo yung unang video na ina-upload ko, so mas madali mo na itong sagutan. So determine the reaction at the support for the beam shown. So first is i-identify natin yung magre-resist na force. So since we have two support reaction, which is the hinge and roller, so dito sa A, which is ang hinge, may dalawang reaction na mag-a-act. Isang vertical reaction at saka yung horizontal reaction, A sub x. So, tsaka yung ruler, may vertical reaction, which is yung dy. So, dito, mag-moment ako sa B. Summation moment at B is equals to 0. Clockwise, lahat ng clockwise is positive. So, makukuha natin yung A sub y. So, by the way guys, yung wala naman, itong beam na to is wala namang nag-act na horizontal force. So, automatically, yung A sub x natin is magiging 0. So, dito, A sub y, yung moment arm niya is 3 plus 3 plus 6. Total of 12. Minus yung 100 kasi papuntang B to clockwise, counterclockwise. So, yung moment arm niya is 3 plus 6. So, ito ay 9. Minus yung uniform distributed load natin. So, gagawin natin yung resultant. 20 times 6. Tsaka yung moment arm niya is 6 over 2, magiging 3. Equals to 0. So, makukuha natin A sub y is times 12 minus 100 times 9 minus 20 times 6. 3 equals to 0. Magiging 105. Yung unit is kilonewton. So, this is the reaction of A sub y. So, sa B sub y naman natin, so, diretso tayo sa, wait lang, summation forces vertical equals to 0, upward positive. So, A sub y minus 100 minus 20 times 6. So, plus B sub y equals to 0. Substitute natin itong A sub y na 105. So, ang B sub y natin magiging 105 minus 100 minus 20 times 6 plus B sub y. So, magiging 115 kilo Newton. So, ito po yung value sa reaction sa B sub y. So, that's it.
What the dog doing?